Hello everyone. Hope you are all fine. After a long time, I started my tutorials back. So hope you are all fine. Okay. So okay. Basically, I just shot some videos in the Java, some programs and as well as some of the concepts. So I think already explained in my previous tutorial. Basically, I just target any concept real-time use cases. So now I'm going to cover one very important concept in Java, like that is regular expressions. So regular expressions mostly, most of the people would aware about that. So as I told you, I request. So this video is mainly for beginners and who are at a beginning beginner level of the Java. So the professionals who have very good command over the Java. So I think they can ignore this video. So I think because they almost they know different use cases already. So so now coming to regular expressions. The concept name is regular expressions. So without making delay, so I just the concept name is regular expressions in Java. Okay. So regular expressions in Java. So basically the definition wise, uh, you are looking for one particular substring according to one particular pattern. So, or you can give one more definition. The group of substrings according to one particular pattern. So that is called uh, regular expressions. So there is a one target string. Okay. So you are sending one substring according to one particular pattern. Okay. So if the pattern matches, then you will get the results. So that is mainly the definition of regular expression. So basically the regular expressions mostly are used in application development and as well as automation frameworks as well. Okay. So uh, coming to the use cases. So use cases. So mostly we can see this main uses in where submit forms. Okay, how submit forms? Basically, I just want to highlight one thing. So basically, like submit forms, where you enter username, password, some email, finally submit form. So this is some basic submit form. I just want to give username, sorry, password, and email. Finally, submit form. So I think we will give username information as well as password information and email. So email like test um, um, at gmail.com. So if you click on submit button, so basically there is a background one validation process would be there. So it checks like if user provides valid email or not. If user provides valid email, uh, then the form will go to the next level. That means it doesn't mean that if user provides the valid email or not. So it means that user provides according to email standards or not. Okay. How exactly it checks? Basically, when they are developing submit form, so basically internally they uses validation framework. So again the validation framework internally uses regular expressions. So that means whatever the group of strings or one particular string if user provides according to one particular pattern or not. What is the pattern here? So here the pattern, uh, so basically mm, some text at the rate some domain name .com. So this is the pattern, guys. So exactly, so it checks in the background whether user provides according to this particular pattern or not. So basically this is a one use case. So basically they internally they uses regular expressions concept only to implement this one. So another one, another use case, uh, so when we search for any text in sorry, any word or excel sheets. So basically when you want to search one particular word or any specific text, so what exactly you will use? So you will use control plus F button. Generally you use this, right? Mostly like we all uh, so since many days I think mm, mostly we use the control F, right? So control F to search any text. Okay. So basically when you enter something, so for example in the text, so here for example control F means, so basically here for example there is a one text, right? Mm, hi, how are you? So basically and hi, how are you again? I am giving same word. Okay, so for example you want to search for how. Okay, so generally what exactly you do, so you just type control F and uh, see control F and how, see it is giving two matches. Okay, how exactly it works, guys? So you just type some word and you just ask the system to check how many house are there. So you are giving one specific pattern. So this specific pattern, it checks in the target string how many house are there. So here one more use case, like internally they use regular expressions concept to implement this. So this is also another use case, guys. So likewise uh, anything like for example when you are developing any application, like when you are developing any particular framework, so when you are sending any particular one substring. Okay, so if you want to put some conditions over there, for example, so my target string would accept, so according to one particular pattern. Okay, so for example my target string target string 123 at the rate uh, capital A B C. Okay, and some dollar, some special symbols like this. Okay, this is a target string and my pattern means it is equal to regular expression, guys. Pattern string is like maybe 123 or capital AB or at the rate. See, for example, if I give 123, so basically if it matches 123 is available in the target string or not. If it is available, where exactly available and how many places are available. You can get all these information, guys. For example, your pattern substring is AB, capital AB. If capital AB is available in the main target string or not. If it is available, where exactly available? For example, if it is available 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth index, AB is available. So if it is not available, it will give you zero result. So like that, so whatever the pattern you are provided, that if the pattern is available in the main string or not, it checks there. Okay. So I think this is the whole definition. So now I will tell you guys about how exactly we can implement this concept. Okay. Basically, if you want to implement this concept, so Java provides two libraries for that. First one is pattern. This is a class, guys. I think almost the people who are familiar with at least 20% of Java, so mostly they know very well about what is object, what is class, right? So this is the pattern object, and one more thing, matcher object. This is also class, guys. So basically the pattern class, so my, like what I'm trying to say, by using these two classes, so you can implement this concept. Okay, so by using this pattern class, basically it will compile the it will compile the required pattern. Okay, so for example, what exactly you want to search for. Okay, so it will initialize with what is your required substring or required pattern that you are looking for. So that information, like, it will be taken care by pattern. And coming to the matcher class, so it would be responsible for like if substring whatever you provided that matches or not, so it is responsible for that. Okay, so I think you can get some idea when you see some practical knowledge, guys. So I will provide you some practical knowledge. So I think mostly in coming sessions directly I will create some classes and I will show you, but now I just created already one class. Okay, so these are two classes I created. So I think already I have added main method. Okay, so in the main method, see, I told you, right, we must use two classes to implement this concept. Okay, so first one is the pattern class and second one is the matcher class. So pattern class is coming from Java regex pattern. So Java, so it's a utility from Java regular expressions. In the same way, matcher is coming from Java util regular expressions. Okay, so first in the 11th line, what exactly we did? So we initialized a pattern class object. Okay, the pattern, there is a compile method. Okay, so it is the compilation of the pattern object. That means pattern string you are going to pass. So it is equal to Java regular expression object. Okay, so that means you are sending one particular AB pattern object. So it mean the pattern class will be initialized with this AB substring. That means this is the pattern that you are looking for. So it is returning the same class, guys. Okay. So I think I want to give some some concept over here. So any class, like once you are initialized with one static method, if it is written the same class name, okay, that class is called static factory class. Okay, just keep in your mind. See, obviously directly we are calling pattern dot compile. The compile is a static method, guys. So the moment you call the static method, it returns the same class name. So basically that type of classes are static factory classes. Okay, so once you are initialized with pattern, next using the same reference of the pattern, you have to call the matcher method, the matcher static method. So basically this is the matcher method which is the responsible to accept a target string, guys. That means, So whatever the substring with pattern you are passing, that will match with this target string. What is the target string here? This is the target string, guys. Okay, so basically it will return the same matcher class. Yeah, that's it, guys. These two, once these two classes are initialized, directly you can play with this matcher. So there are multiple methods available in this matcher class. So one of the main important method is nothing but matcher.find, guys. Okay, matcher.find. So that means matcher.find of what? Find of AB, right? So whatever regular expression object I passed, that is actual, I mean, finding pattern object. So if that the matcher finds that with the condition true, it will go inside, and just I'm printing like for example, this is what I am looking for, right? So if it is matches in this target string, where exactly it matches? That means match.start. This method is responsible to print starting index, and this method responsible for end position of that particular substring. And if both printed, then I want to see that group also. That means, for example, I may forget, right, whatever substring that I'm looking for, but I want to see what is the group of substring that I'm looking for. That means ultimately is nothing but AB only, so it will print AB. Okay, that means match substring. So these three information I print, guys. Okay, so just I will execute now and I will show you how exactly it works. Then you will get some idea. So I think hope you guys understand what is my intention. Yeah, see. So first it will go inside. So anyhow, pattern dot compile, pattern dot matcher, both are initialized. So once those are initialized, so first it will check if AB is available. So guys, here actually how exactly the control goes, so it goes by index. That means it starts with 0. So first it's zeroth index, like what exactly finds method does. If AB is available that means AB is available at zeroth index or not. Yes, zeroth index is available, right? So that means if matches, I want to print starting index of that substring. What is the starting index of substring? 0. See, 0. Next, end. End position means the substring end position. That means 0, 1. 1 actually should be printed, right? 1 actually should be printed. But here 2 prints. Why? Basically, one more key point you need to remember here. In the regular expressions, always end index will be adding by 1. That means, what is the actual end index? 0, 1. So 1, that means as per the rule, regular expression rule. So you should add 1, I mean 1 to the end index. That means 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So that's how it print. So what is the matching subgroup? Substring AB. Yeah, this is the one time matched. Coming to the second iteration, 0, 1, 2, 3. At the 3 index, again AB matched, guys. Okay, so if it is matched, so it will go inside. So the control is here. The control is here. The control, from that control, what is the starting index? Yeah, 3. 3, 4. Okay, 4. Actually, end index should print 4. But as per the regular expression, so regular expression should add one more index number. That means 3, 4 plus 1, 5. So obviously 4 plus 1, 5 will print. What is a group of substring? That means what is the actual substring that you are looking for? Obviously that printed here. I think this is some basic idea about regular expressions, guys. I think I'm not going into deeper level. So mostly in coming sessions, definitely I will come up with some good use cases. So, but this information really helpful to you for the people who are like doing some play in the Java. So I think mostly you guys might have seen different videos, but I think this video also would help you. people who are doing some basic work. Okay, so mostly in coming sessions definitely I will come up with good use cases and what are the different concepts in these regular expressions, and also I just try to focus some important concepts in Java, guys, with real use cases, because as my experience, so whatever real use cases really would help to you in those things only I just try to create the videos. Okay, thanks for this opportunity. Really, please help me to encourage, then I can do some good videos for you guys. Okay, thank you all.